Morning class. Today's notes we're going to go over identifying quadratic equations, writing quadratic equations by identifying the roots. Now, we know and we remember rocks, roots, zeros, x-intercept solutions, they're all the same. So let's identify the roots here. It hits my x-axis here at positive 2, and it hits over here at negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know it's x equals negative 4 and x equals 2. Now, what we want to do is we want to get the equation. So what we can do is go from the solutions to the factors. But remember, on your x-axis, your x lies. So if the solution is x equals negative 4, then the factor is going to be x plus 4. Basically, whatever sign you had for the solution, you're going to flip it. And you're going to change the equal sign for either a plus or a minus. Over here, this says x equals 2, so the factor would be x minus 2. Now what we can do, now that we have two factors, is we can use FOIL, we can double distribute, we can get our equation. So, let's take x plus 4 and multiply it by x minus 2. Remember, from FOIL, start out with the first term, so x times x, which will give us x squared. Now, take that x, multiply it by your second term, x times negative 2, which would be negative 2x. Now that we've multiplied this by everything over there, we're going to move on to the 4. So, 4 times x is positive 4x, and then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Combine your like terms, we've got negative 2x plus 4x's, so negative 2 plus 4 gives us positive 2, so it's positive 2x in the middle. Bring the other stuff down, so we still have x squared and we still have minus 8. There is our equation. So, we went from a graph where we could see the solutions and we got an equation. Let's try another example. Let's look at number 2. Now, on number 2, it crossed at two spots, crossed at positive 7 and positive 8. So, x equals 7, x equals 8. Now remember, x lies. So, the first factor is x minus 7, the next factor is x minus 8. Now that we have our factors, we can multiply it out. X minus 7, x minus 8. Start with your x, multiply it by the other factor, so x times x is x squared. X times negative 8 is negative 8x. Now move on to negative 7. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 8 is positive 56. Combine your middle terms. Negative 8 minus 7 more gives us negative 15. Bring everything down, so plus 56, and that is still x squared. There is our equation. Not too bad, right? Now, I want you to try number 3. Push pause on the video, push play when you're ready to see the answer. All right? So push pause now. And there's what I got. It crossed at negative 8 and negative 3, so those were my solutions. Remember, x lies, so for my factors I had to change the sign from negative 8 to positive 8, negative 3 to plus 3. After I FOILed and multiplied, this is what I got for my equation. Y equals x squared plus 11x plus 24. We've got one more example. Once again, I want you to try number 4. Push pause on the video, push play when you're ready to see the answer, okay? So, push pause now. And this is what I got for my answer. Crossed here at negative 1, so x equals negative 1. Crossed here at positive 5, x equals positive 5. So this factor was x plus 1, this one was x minus 5. When we multiply it out, I got x squared minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. Combining like terms, negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. And then just bring everything down. Alright, I hope these notes were helpful, and we've got a few more to do today.